Hey there and welcome. We're all looking for that secret weapon, right? A way to get our time back, to finally smash through those creative blocks, and to actually work smarter, not just harder. Well, today we're diving into how AI is making that a reality for pretty much everyone. Let's get into it. Does this look familiar? I bet it does. You've got these amazing ideas buzzing around in your head, but you're just buried under this mountain of tiny, soul-crushing tasks. Or maybe you're a creator and you're just staring at a blank screen, waiting for that lightning bolt of inspiration to strike. It's a feeling we all know way too well.
And look, this isn't just a feeling, it is a brutal reality. If you're a content creator making one single good YouTube video, from the script all the way to the final cut, that can take up to 20 hours. Think about that. That is half of a standard work week for just one piece of content. But what if we could completely flip that equation on its head? So, in this explainer, we're going to map out the whole revolution. We'll start by meeting the foundational brains behind these AI tools. Then we'll get into how you can unleash your inner creator, how to put all those boring tasks on autopilot, and finally, we'll look ahead to see how this all leads to a future of actual teamwork with AI. Okay, first things first. Before we can really use these incredible tools, we kind of need to understand what's actually powering them from behind the scenes. So let's meet the brains of the operation. At the core of almost all of these tools is something called a large language model, or just LLM. The easiest way to wrap your head around it is to just think of it as a super versatile digital brain. It's been trained on a truly mind-boggling amount of text from the internet, and because of that, it can understand and generate language in a way that feels, well, incredibly human. And this is important, not all of these AI brains are built the same. ChatGPT is your creative partner, right? It's amazing for brainstorming, like asking it for business ideas. Claude, on the other hand, really shines with long-form writing and heavy-duty coding. But Gemini has a unique superpower. Its deep, deep connection to everything Google. You can literally drop a YouTube link into it and say make timestamps, and it just does it. The others can't even touch that. Okay, so we get the brains now. So let's put them to work and solve that whole 20-hour video problem we talked about. This next part is all about getting you from a blank page to a finished product faster than you ever thought possible. Check this out. This is what a modern AI-powered workflow really looks like. So instead of starting from scratch, you use a tool like vidIQ to generate a script outline that's already optimized for search. And forget about spending hours in front of a mic. 11 Labs can create a flawless, natural-sounding voiceover in minutes. Now, the real game changer here is Descript, where editing a video is as easy as editing a text doc. And then to top it all off, Canva's AI can whip up a thumbnail that people actually want to click on in just seconds. I mean, this is a gigantic leap forward. Old school video editing meant you were painstakingly dragging little clips on a timeline. It was so tedious. With a tool like Descript, you just edit the text transcript of the video. If you want to cut a sentence, you just delete the words. If you want to get rid of all the ums and ahs, it's literally one click. This turns a really technical skill into something as simple as editing a Word document. And this isn't just about saving a bit of time. It's about creating a huge impact. Get this. One creator, using an all-in-one tool called NVIDIA AI, started a brand new channel from nothing and got 11,000 views overnight. That's the kind of power we're talking about when you leverage a full suite of AI creation tools. All right, so we've supercharged our creative side, but what about all that other, grunt work that fills up our days? The data entry, the file organizing, all the notifications. Well, it is time to put those tasks on autopilot. I want you to just think about this one task. An email with an attachment comes in. You have to open the email, download the file, then you have to go find the right folder in your cloud drive, and then save it. Sure, it only takes a minute, but do that 10, 20, 50 times a day, your focus is just completely shattered. So, the solution is something called AI automation. And the best way to think of it is as the digital glue for all your apps. It's basically software that lets you connect everything, so an action in one app automatically triggers an action in a totally different app, with zero manual work from you. And when it comes to this digital glue, some are definitely stronger than others. A platform like Zapier just blows the competition away because it can connect to over 8,000 different applications. That scale is just wild. It means pretty much any workflow you can dream up, you can probably build. Okay, so let's build out that workflow we were talking about. The trigger is a new email with an attachment lands in Gmail.
The action is Zapier automatically grabs that attachment and saves it to a specific Google Drive folder. You could even add a third step, like a little notification in Slack to let you know it's done. And just like that, you've built a robot to do your filing for you, and it probably took you about 2 minutes.
So here's why this really matters. Automation isn't about being lazy. It's about being strategic. The real magic isn't just saving a few minutes here and there. It's about building systems that run your business while you sleep. Every single task you automate frees up your brain to focus on what actually matters, the big picture, creative, strategic work that only a human, that only you can do.
And that brings us to the really big picture here. This whole thing isn't about replacing humans with machines. It's about creating a totally new kind of partnership. It's about welcoming your new AI coworker to the team.
So let's bring it all home. Your new AI toolkit starts with those foundational brains like ChatGPT for brilliant ideas. Then you use creator tools like Descript to bring those ideas to life at lightning speed. You use automation platforms like Zapier to clear out all the grunt work so you can actually focus. And all of this is leading us to the next big thing: AI agents, assistants that can handle complex, multi-step projects all on their own. And that leaves us with one final, really powerful question. The whole conversation is shifting. It's no longer about if AI will take your job. The real question is, what incredible things are you going to achieve now that you have a tireless, intelligent, and endlessly capable AI teammate working right alongside you? So, what will you build?